I'm going to show you how you can create a new email alias for your Gmail account. Once you're signed into Gmail, first thing we need to do is open another tab and go to the admin page by typing in admin.google.com. So this will direct you to the admin page of your Gsuite account. Next is click on users. Then click on the account where you'd want to create the email alias. Next is click on user information. And then under alternative email addresses, click on the edit icon. And then type in the new name for your email alias. Then click save. Now once that's done, let's try and test this out. Let's send an email message to this new email alias. It's sent, and then let's refresh our page. If for some reason if the new message doesn't come through to your main inbox, just go over to your labels or folder section and look for the all mail folder, and there you go.